Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an anti-ragging affidavit for college admission. This crucial legal document is a mandatory requirement for all students and their parents or guardians when joining a college. It serves as a formal declaration, ensuring your commitment to a ragging-free campus environment. Understanding this process is vital for a smooth admission and a safe start to your academic journey. Let's go over the steps to prepare this important document correctly. To begin, you'll need to gather a few essential items. Firstly, have your college admission letter handy, along with your personal identification documents. You'll also need to provide specific details like your full name, current address, the course you're enrolling in, and the official name of your college. Don't forget to include your parent or guardian's full name, their address, and their relationship to you. Having all this information ready will make the process much smoother. Now, let's walk through the creation process. First, obtain the official anti-ragging affidavit format, usually available on your college's website or from their admission office. Carefully fill in all the required details, ensuring accuracy in every field. Once completed, the affidavit must be notarized. This involves signing the document in front of a notary public or an oath commissioner, who will then attest to its authenticity with their official seal and signature. This step is legally binding. Finally, with your affidavit complete and notarized, submit it to your college's admission department by the specified deadline. It's always a good practice to make and keep at least one photocopy of the entire document for your personal records before submission. Remember, this affidavit is more than just a formality. It's a vital commitment to maintaining a respectful and safe campus for all students. Your participation helps ensure a positive and secure learning environment for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.